Hey guys, no charts today. I just want to talk to you and speak to you from the heart today. Guys, I took a big move last night. I sold $296,000 of my cryptocurrency portfolio because I am genuinely getting concerned with what I see happening in the market. Links in the description. You guys know that. Go to tradeconfident.io. It's plastered on the front page. You'll see the most recent future forecast. I'm going to share with you guys what I sold. But more so than that, show you guys the bearish analysis that I see on Bitcoin. That really does not look good, guys. It is a sign that has previously ushered in about 30 to 40% drawdowns on Bitcoin, sometimes even further, that we could be see coming next. And if you got to translate this to altcoins, you're going to be looking at maybe 40, 50, 60% drawdown on altcoins from where we're currently at. It isn't looking good. And I know I'm going to get so much backlash in the comments. Travis, the top isn't in. It's going to come November 28th. It's going to come December. Would you please just take a look at this and look for yourself why I am starting to exit and why I'm starting to get concerned? Can you guys not blow me up in the comments, but please just listen to what I'm about to say here. I need to ask you guys a rhetorical question, and you need to be honest with yourself. Why are we expecting more gains than 600% moves on XRP XLM? Guys, we bought Solana at $14, and that position right now is up 1,500%. There is a lot of evidence that states that the alt season that all of you guys are waiting for, it already happened last year. Majority, in my opinion, in November of 2024. Why? Because XRP went from 55 cents to $3.21. XLM, we bought at 9.4 cents. That went up over 500%. Solana absolutely blew off the top. The Lord spoke to me one time, there are going to be runners and those left behind. I think this alt season may have already happened for specific cryptocurrencies, and we could be moving back down now. Because if you look at the cycle charts that I showed you guys this morning, of if you match all the bullish years up together, I'll give this to you guys. August 23rd down until about the first or second week of September is just a free fall back down. It is a massive slide down. Now, is it possible that this massive drop off in the normal cycles of Bitcoin are going to be thwarted and we're going to see a bunch of cash come back into the market? Possible. But the bearish signs on Bitcoin right now, I think, present an opportunity for a pit stop for profit, is what I'm calling this. Guys, basically $300,000 taken out of my portfolio is not a small move. I had $1.65 million last night before I made this move. So it's a decent chunk. I sold completely out of an altcoin that I have. And I'm not going to release it here to keep this private and honor our members. But here's what I'm going to do for you guys in the future forecast as well this morning, is show you guys an indicator that if this indicator by Sunday crosses above what we call this blue line, there's been an average of, listen, 31 days before the entire alt run is done. I'm talking total 3. Everything minus Bitcoin, Ethereum, like the altcoins, okay? That has called 90 to 80% drops in the market. It is an absolute cliff that comes for people. But the thing is, people don't know what this indicator is. It's called the exact peaks in the last 2 cycles for altcoins. Wouldn't you like to have that? Guys, I can see where it's at, and I can see where the market is, and I'm already selling $300,000. And some of you guys are like, well, shoot, I'm not even in profit yet. Yeah, so you should be paying attention even more, okay? So I'm going to give that indicator to you guys. I'll actually show you how to find it on TradingView and how to mock it up on a chart so you can just have it for life. Because I'm making some plays based off that, knowing where we're going. I'm then going to show you guys global liquidity and balance this with, Travis, why are you selling right now when we have bullish catalysts of the ETFs coming out, potentially for Solana, XRP, Cardano, the strategic reserve coins? Why am I selling with ISO 20022 coming in November? Why am I doing that? There are reasons for that. It has to do with taking profit and actually understanding the marginal difference between long-term capital gains and short-term capital gains and making that money back before, I believe, rates get cut on September 17th, if we get rates cut. Do you guys, I'll leave this with you as well. I'll show this to you. Do you know what happened the last time rates plateaued and then decreased? Do you know? The last time rates plateaued and then decreased like we're expecting, Bitcoin dropped 55%. But nobody is talking about that on YouTube here. They're saying rates are going to drop and the whole thing's going to go skyrocketing. Well, the last time this happened, Bitcoin dropped 55%. Are we potentially 2 weeks away, September 17th, from Bitcoin dropping 55%? It is a possibility. Yield curve is already going up. That's the first sign, okay? Is it calamity for the next 30 to 45 days to then be followed by massive pumps? Potentially. Because I'm going to show you guys how we were probably going to switch once interest rates drop. We go to QE, quantitative easing, global liquidity goes up, empty money goes up, and the money printer turns on and we burn that bad boy up. And the market continues upwards. But it is possible, guys, the Bitcoin top is in and alt season has already happened, and I have to prove it to you guys. It's such concrete evidence that I'm taking a stand to sell. And I do not be surprised, guys, if I start selling more cryptocurrency today or this weekend and I come out with another future forecast for you guys. I am genuinely getting concerned that this is a fantastic, although I'm concerned, a fantastic pit stop for people to take some profit on your altcoins before the market moves back down. I'm going to go a little bit further here. If you guys are okay, stick around for this. These prophetic words coming out in the sphere of saying XLM is going to drop down to 11 cents, XRP is going to crash down to 10 cents or around these lower levels. Some of these individuals, not to be rude, they have no idea about the 4-year cycle. I can prove to you guys on a chart this morning that if we go down into a bear market now, all they're seeing, guys, I'm not trying to discredit their words, all they're seeing is simply the drop in the bear market. Because 11 cents is absolutely possible for XLM in a bear market. XRP down to 10 cents, a little aggressive. 14, maybe 30 cents, that's probably more realistic. But what they're probably seeing is a cyclical cycle playing out, but they don't know about the cyclical cycles. No discredit to them at all. The Lord is probably superseding and warning them about that. So you need to see, oh, and look at, I'll show you another chart, XLM. Look at XLM, the same pattern that dropped us into a bear market that took us back down to those 9 and 10 cents. It's printing right now on XLM. Do you guys even know this? So I need to take you guys on this Friday, not to scare anyone into anxiety, because as believers, we need to ask the Lord for peace, and we move forward in peace. But look at the pieces that I'm trying to show you guys this morning. The link is in the description. I'm giving you all 25% off it for the first month. Please just watch it. It's plastered on the front page of tradeconfident.io. It says, I'm getting concerned. I sold $296,000. Click on that and watch that video at the bottom of the page once you have access. I'm going to share all this with you guys and be transparent. There's a reason why I sold last night. And I'm probably going to look to sell a little bit more here, maybe even today or this weekend, and I'll let you guys know. Please watch this. Don't just stay bullish for bullish sake. There are fantastic moves you can make to potentially sell, reacquire before a big move comes once we start seeing rates drop. But until then, there's no reason to be bullish, okay? We need to be looking for probably a temporary drop down and then wait for rates to drop, QE to take over, global liquidity to go up. And I do think it is possible now we could see a bull run in 2026, and I'll explain that. Watch this future forecast, get the indicator on your charts, and I'm going to give you guys, and I hope this really blesses you. I'm starting to take profit. Watch that future forecast. God bless, guys.